All right, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Alibaba. Is right now the pristine time to come in and sell this stock before it plummets further? Let's talk about it, because you guys can see that when we did our last video in Alibaba, I was telling you that we may be getting in at the high of this stock, and it looked like I was right. But we still did a price prediction, and maybe we should not have done it because Alibaba has been trending down ever since then. I know it happens. We're not going to get it correct 100% of the time, but I think if we got a little bit more information on the charts now, that could possibly tell us that Baba is not finished going down. Welcome over to the channel. Hit the like, share, and subscribe as I go through this video to give you all a heads up as to what I think the market in Alibaba is about to do. Because I really wanted, when I created this video, this price prediction, I wanted to see if these buyers wanted to hold the price here. And as you can tell, the result has been an emphatic no. They did not show up. Hey, and if the buyers ain't showing up, trust and believe I ain't showing up. So we need to get rid of this price prediction in Alibaba and possibly look for price to continue to hit these other two buy zones. Okay, those are going to be our next two targets for Baba. All right. So that was what, 11.03% loss right there. We had one day, potentially the day that we produced the video, to see some minor profit right there. October the 7th, all right? Now, we got that out the way. We can actually get rid of this buy zone now, because those buyers, where are they at? They didn't even show up. The market in Baba didn't even lift off of that buy zone. Instead, the market continued to crater and go down. We wanted to see the market in Baba do this and hold that buy zone. But guess what? If they don't show up, then guess what we don't do? We're not going to show up neither. Okay? So let's get this buy zone out the way. We got these other two areas here that we can focus on in Baba. Now, let's create sell zones then, because since the buyers are not showing up in Baba, then best believe we can see where the sellers are at then. Okay, so here is Baba on the 2. This is the last printed 2-day price bar in the market in Baba, and that doesn't look bullish. Here it is on the 3, 9 hours left, and it still doesn't look bullish. This is on the backs of these other two 3-day price bars to where the market closed on the low on both 3-day price bars. Yeah, that's not a positive sign. What about on the 4? This stock still looks weak. It still looks weak. Here it is on the 5. Nothing but a move down. It was a fantastic run up in Alibaba right there. And just as people were beginning to get wind that this market is bullish, it comes right back down. Here it is on the weekly chart. Okay. You can see the market currently is up $2.40 in the pre-market. That might be a good thing, because this could be the initial stage of a bounce in the market in Alibaba. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Baba on the 3. Here's Baba on the 5. And on the monthly chart. Okay. Here it is on 330. You guys can see that the trend has been going down. This could be the initial bounce right here into the market in Baba. Or maybe not. So for us, we have to continue to follow the leader. And currently the leader is the sellers. Okay. Now, like I said, this could be an initial bounce because we're trading pretty close already to this buy zone. So I won't be surprised, like I was the last time, if the market in Baba begins to go up. I won't be surprised. But this will be our target. Either here at the high of this first buy zone, which is just merely 2.5%. I understand, but we don't control how low or how high price is going to go. Or we can do it there at the bottom of that first buy zone, 5.25%. Okay, third target is going to be at the second buy zone, 86.74 at the high, or 11% at the low. Okay. And we'll leave our resistance area right there around that sell zone. So now we may be, it seems like the price predictions that I've done, this one and the one before, like I'm playing behind and not trying to get like ahead of the market, especially as we see the market and potentially coming and bouncing off that buy zone. I get it. I see it too. I understand it. Right. But until we see a change, and I'm talking about a change in the guards between buying and selling, we have to continue to follow that this stock, Alibaba, is still trending bearish. Now, at some point, you would expect the market to change direction. So ever since the high of this 2-day price bar, which was October the 7th, to now, Baba has already lost 18.69%. So that's a good profit for someone who's shorted the market all the way up there at 118. That's a pretty good profit in a very short amount of time, less than a month. So maybe it is due for Baba to trend up higher. But when I look at it on these multiple time frames, I don't see any indication that this market is ready to change its direction yet. It could be today though. Could be today. But we'll see. I'm done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.